Hello everyone, thank you for having me here today. So my name is Ahmed and I'm an investment manager in BITMAIN. And today we are going to talk about Turkey BTC mining market and its advantage. So basically when we are talking about Bitcoin mining operations, there is a very clear equation which determines whether your Bitcoin operation and the process are going to be as successful or not. And one of the main factors on this is the electricity and the energy availability. And still in Turkey, we still have the advantage of the electricity pricing and the electricity and the energy availability here. So recently, we can see here that a lot of companies, a lot of mining operation hubs, they already established here in Turkey, and they already established. There is a lot of investors from China, Kazakhstan, and USA already came to Turkey to start their own Bitcoin mining operation. So we can, from the statistic, we can see that there is almost 6% of the global hash power. And if we compare this with the global market, there is a lot of countries which has 0.1% or 0.2%. So 6% is a very good number when it comes to the global hash power. 6% of the global hash power is existing here in Turkey. And there's a lot of companies, mining pools, exchanges, trading platform already moved here to Turkey. So from BITMAIN as a company, BITMAIN perspective, what we can provide to this market. So BITMAIN is one of the leading technology when it comes to the Bitcoin mining machines. We produce the Bitcoin mining machine since 2013. Our journey from 2013 till now, we are going to go through it in different slides here. So basically, we provide the highest hash rate with the lowest consumption of electricity. Stable performance, and we have a wide range of mining models. So we are not only providing or manufacturing the Bitcoin mining machines, but we also providing a lot of other cryptocurrency mining machines. So basically our machines started from 2013 with S1 model, and now we already have the S19 XP. So BITMAIN already have almost 90% of the global market share. So I don't know if any one of you already went before to a mining farm anywhere in the world. You are going to find an ant miner running over there. BITMAIN ant miners is in any farm all over the world. So we have a lifetime of the machines already 6 to 7 years. Until today, we still have some machines running from 2016. So this is our journey with BITMAIN and Antminer. We started the production in 2013 with S1. This machine was consuming electricity on 2,000 joules per terahash and generating 0.18 terahash. From 2013 till now, 2023 or 2022, we already have reduced the power consumption and the electricity consumption by more than 100 times. From 2,000 joules per terahash to 20.8 joules per terahash. And in the meanwhile, we already increased the terahash, which is the power efficiency, the computing power, from 0.18 terahash to 255 terahash. Our R&D department and our engineering is working to reduce, because basically the green line is the cost, the operation cost, the power that you are paying every month. And the blue line is your benefit. So our R&D team and our team is trying to utilize and to maximize the profit and decreasing the electricity consumption. So during our journey to develop from S1 to S19 XP now, we already went through all the obstacles and all the challenges that may face anyone operating a Bitcoin mining farm. So one of the big challenges was the infrastructure. Building the infrastructure for the Bitcoin mining farm is one of the biggest challenges that may face anyone doing an operation. So in 2018, we started to have hydro machines and hydro containers, which we call it an ant space. These hydro containers, basically, you don't have to build your own warehouse, your own building, and then you stack the machine, you put shelves. It's a plug-and-play solution. It comes also with the cooling system. So basically we have the ant space, which you can stack inside it around 200 to 210 machines. It comes with around 1 megawatt, and it comes with its own cooling system. We have two different cooling systems for it. We have one heat exchanger, and we have the one with the cooling tower. So basically we use the water, any quality of water. It doesn't need to be a drinking water or a clean water. Any quality of water, we use it to circulate and to cool down the machine. So we introduced this because we have some places in the world with the extreme weather condition, like in the Middle East, in Gulf countries, in North Africa, and some places in US. So we introduced this product because this can be a very good fit for the extreme weather conditions. So we started our journey with the hydro in 2018 with the S9 hydro, and then we developed all the way to the S19 XP hydro. So one of the challenges also is the noise. So the mining farm generates a lot of noise because of the fans, which is trying to cool down the machines. So with the air cooling machines, you are going to have the fans, but with the water cooling, there is no fans because the water are going to go inside, cooling down the chip. So there is no fans, so there is no sound. It's only the sound of the water circulating inside the mining farm. And the other challenge was the dust, especially in the Gulf countries, because I'm based in Dubai. So in the Gulf countries, we faced a lot of dust going inside the mining machines, which are going to reduce the life cycle. So basically, it's a well-closed, there is no any open for the fans, there is no way that the dust can go in. So we developed these machines from 2018 with the S9 Hydro and all the way to the S19 XP. We started with 18 terahash and the power consumption of 96 joule per terahash, and then we already reached 255 terahash with a 21 joule per terahash, which is by far is the best machine existing in the market now. So as I mentioned, we already have the hydro cooling to solve some of the mining farm issue, which is environment, low failure rate, because you already closed everything. There's no fans, there's no dust, there's no noise. And then we increase the power consumption as you don't need to cool the machine with air conditions or any fans, so you cool it with water, so the power consumption are going to go down. There's no noise, the efficient of the operation and maintenance as the machines are not going to, the failure rate is going down, so the maintenance and the operation are going to go down. And then it's more safe. The container, you put the machine, you plug it, and then you keep it running wherever is it. It's in the desert, in a farm, in the parking plot, anywhere. It can run anywhere. And this is one example on two different environment situations that the mining farm are running on it. So basically, the first one is running on -5 degrees and with a 10% humidity, and it's very stable, as you can see here. Basically, under the air cooling, the traditional air cooling machines, this line are going to go up and down according to the chip temperature and according to the environment, the temperature of the environment. So with the cooling, because it keeps a very stable temperature inside the machine, so the hash power, you can see it's very, very stable. So this is the first operation environment, -5 degrees, 10% humidity. And the second mining farm is 6 degrees and 65% humidity. And it's still the same stable. There is no up and down. There is no volatility on the hashing. We already successfully deployed these hydro machines in US from West, US, Texas, Washington, South Carolina, and then in Europe, the extreme condition, it's very hot in Europe, in Norway, and then in United Arab Emirates, Thailand, Laos, Indonesia. And one of the most challenges was in the one in United Arab Emirates, because it's 50 degrees over there. So by anyhow, it's impossible to mine in the Gulf countries. So now we have almost 270 megawatt is running hydro machines in United Arab Emirates in Abu Dhabi. And BITMAIN also provide almost 10 repair centers available in US. and we are planning now to add another 7 repair center. So for any inquiry or any question, or if you have any question, you can ask me, or you can visit our booth outside, or you can communicate with our team. Thank you so much. Yes, please. If we find availability for electricity, yes, of course. Thank you so much. Thank you.